Welcome to the Eastside Store. My name is Amanda Eikens. I'm the Owner Resource Coordinator for the Eastside Store. I'm here in the bulk aisle to show you the bulk aisle. So when we're talking about shopping in bulk, we mean that you can buy as little or as much as you want. So if you just need a cup of rice or a teaspoon of cinnamon, whatever you need. Our bulk products are changed over on average about every 15 days. That way you're getting the freshest quality product available. So when you're looking at the label, the best way to read it is you have the name of the product, you have the price per pound, and then on the bottom left you'll have the PLU, the price lookup. You need to write down the PLU so that the cashier knows exactly how to ring you up. So in order to fill a bag, you can use the scoop, or you can fill it with the gravity bin. You would pull the handle down and then push it back up when you're finished.
Paper and plastic bags are available for dry goods, and round plastic containers are available for liquids. These containers cost 20 cents if you fill them with dry goods. There are funnels to use to help pour items into small containers without spilling. Owners can pre-order cases of products, and most are eligible for a 10% case discount. Talk to any bulk or customer service staff to place your order. Local products have a purple square, organic products have a green square.
If you or someone that you're shopping for has severe allergies, it's best to avoid the bulk section because there's always a chance for cross-contamination.